Alright, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, let's I introduce myself. My name is Yusuf. My register number is 22111200041. So in this video, I make this video because I want to finish assessment middle test from Mem Santi. So the assessment is review some article for the strategy reading, and I choose one strategy. The strategy is scanning. So I choose one article I find in Google Scholar, and I wanna review to you all guys. So let's see the article.
Alright, we are going to the article. This is my just article from Google Scholar. The title is Impact of Questioning Strategies on Reading Comprehension of Scanning Zero Level Students. Why I choose this? Because in this article I easy to understand what the solution in this article. So before we are review the article, I wanna tell you about the definition scanning. Alright. I'm sorry, my spelling is bad, but I want to try remember what I remember Mem Santi class, yeah, last meet. So let's go. Scanning is speed reading technique used to locate specific information. So, waiting a text without reading to enter the content. The reader scan visually the text, focusing any keyword of critical detail. For example, you can find the what's yours or number. This is key to find the what information general. So or we are find the names or particular fact relevant to their search. Scanning is effective to quickly information when the time is limited. So if you have short time, you can scanning the article to be fast to find the general information. This is the definition scanning for me. Okay. Okay, let's why I choose this strategy because the strategy have relevant to the article why I choose this. For the abstract or in the introduction, um, in the content of article, scanning is relevant because this technique can help students effectively find specific information. So, if you want to know, for my experience, I very boring to read the a long sentence or the long article. This is so boring because don't have a picture or something like that. So this I recommended this strategies because this is simple to explain for students. We are going to find the name, find the keywords. They we can predict what's this general information. So relate to reading comprehension and questioning strategy. By using scanning, student can quickly identify key points. Should the experimental result, the benefit questioning resist, and study conclusion without need you understand the intertext. So, And then, so for I be- I say before, the benefit we are having to strategies reading scanning, you can make a short time, you can wherever you can find the general information to be fast before your friend or your partner. So this the actually usable academic setting where students are often required to load specific facts in a short amount of time. Okay. Maybe this why I choose this strategy and this in this what's I forget in this article. So going to we are going to the article. Okay. We are read the abstract. Oh, I'm sorry, I forget that. We for the strategies reading, we are having scanning to before, mid, and last. Before I going to tell you the review article, where I wanna tell you about the first one is before we are reading. Um, I I choose scanning because scanning is flexible to the positioning and the before, mid, or the last. For the before, I want to combine the scanning and question question myself. I'm sorry. Question myself. Um, for example, is why I read this article. Why scanning is easy to student acquisition. This is the example question for me to myself and the combined for scanning. I can scanning for this abstract. This is the impact questioning strategies and the reading comprehension skill for question zero level student. So my question for myself answer for this abstract in introduction. So in this article have introduction, methodology, um, object to this study, research question, activate to the of the problem. I'm sorry, review of the literature, recent of the study, field study, population sample, result, and this table. And we are going to independent sample test, finding, and the last one is conclusion. Let's go to continue my presentation. I'm sorry because my mom come to my room and question something, so I paused the my record video. I'm sorry. Okay, we are back to introduction or abstract or introduction. So we are mm, review this article. What's the point of the scanning and like this? So for the introduction, we are for this sentence. Purpose questioning strategies are designed to clarify understanding, simulate critical thinking, motivate learns, and change engagement with the text. They ensure developing comprehension and developing critical thinking skills in readers. So we are going to point two. We are to this one. I'm sorry. Um, ah, Importance in education to study highlights the need for effective questioning technique and additional setting to improve student reading comprehension abilities. So for this introduction, the main point of this article, we are going to research object. For the research object, the primary objective, I'm sorry, I am forgot in this. The primary objective of the research is explore the effective to different question technique, especially improving the reader comprehension skills of Pakistani zero level students. Okay, then this a new point for the point review and related literature. Recommendation for educator is article suggests that teacher should tailor questioning strategies to accommodate teachers' learning levels. Utility technology for adaptive questioning and accurate response and multi-language to support linguistic delivery, additional ongoing training and reading materials are recommended. For the last, sorry, okay, this one. For the last is future direction. The study calls for opportunity research to refine questioning strategies of their application in classroom to achieve better academic outcomes for students. So this the main point I give to you all to for this review article. So I wanna give you example the format. Oh, I'm sorry. To have the scanning for this article. Hmm, for this one in introduction, okay. The study evaluated through experimental research design, dividing 313 students from FFC Grimal School and College, Gotch, Mechi, Seribet into control experimental group based on age and capability. This is the example I give to you for this article, and I I think we are go to the conclusion. Um, wait. Where conclusion? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Before I going to the conclusion, why conclusion? This I wanna tell you about the strategies reading. I tell you about the before we are reading, we are ask question to myself. For the middle reading, we are to scanning what the main idea of this article. We are find the context for this article and we are know the general the information general. I'm sorry. So for the last is we are finished the read the article. We are going to make a summary. So we are scanning and make a summary or conclusion what I know for this article. A new general information for this article. So we are going to conclusion, guys. The article underscores the critical role of questioning strategies in improved reading comprehension among Pakistani zero-level students. By implementing effective questioning techniques, educator, pastor, and engaging the supportive learning environment that's only enhances comprehension skill, but also the prepare student for future academic and professional challenge. The research serves the valuable resource for editor seeking and improve the internal practice and ultimately contribute to the academic success of their student. Alright.
Alright, maybe that's all for my strategies reading is scanning for me and my article. Sorry, my spelling little bit. So maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.